In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file download link to a Constant Contact email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to host your file in Constant Contact. Link it to a button or text in your email, save your changes, and confirm everything works with a quick test. First, open your Constant Contact email campaign. From your account dashboard, head to Campaigns and choose the email you want to edit, or open the draft you've been working on. The drag and drop editor will load, and this is where you'll make all your changes. Next, upload the file to your library or document storage so recipients can download it. In the top navigation, go to the library, then upload your file from your computer. Use a clear, descriptive file name, something your audience will recognize, and keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly. PDFs are a great choice for guides, menus, and one-pagers. Make sure you're uploading the final version so you won't have to relink later. Now add a button or a text link in your email where you want people to access the file. If you prefer a button, drag a button block into the layout and give it a strong call to action, like download the guide or view the menu. If you'd rather use text, type a short, descriptive phrase in a text block. Avoid vague phrases and make it clear what readers will get when they click. Link the button or text to the uploaded file. For a button, click it to open the settings, choose the link option, and select Document or File. Browse your library, pick the file you just uploaded, and apply the link. For text, highlight the words you want linked, click the link icon, choose Document or File, and select the same uploaded file. If there's an option to open in a new tab, enable it for a smoother user experience. Save the link and your email changes. Confirm the button or text shows the correct link, then save your block and your campaign. A quick scan right now can prevent broken links later. Finally, send a test email to make sure the attachment link works. Use preview and test to send it to your inbox, open it on desktop and mobile, and click the link. The file should load quickly and display correctly. If anything looks off, go back, adjust the link or wording, save again, and retest. That's it. You've added a clean, clickable download link to your Constant Contact email ready for your audience.